Hi everyone, this is John with the Patient Technology Program at CS Mott Children's Hospital and Build Up Mobile. Today, I'm going to show you how to build some super cool Lego glasses. I'm going to be using all of these random Lego pieces, all these fun basic brick. So we got some 2x3s, some 2x2s, some 1x2s, some 2x4s, some 1x4s with some studs on the side, and some longer ones like this 1x8 and this 1x6. So I'm actually going to start with this little window piece. This is what we're going to see through. And I'm going to take a 1x2 brick and put it right in the middle. Then I'm going to get a little 1x1 piece and put it right behind there, just like this. And I'm going to do that with our other one, but a little bit opposite. So we have the 1x2 in the middle, and the 1x1 is sitting right behind it like this. So we have our two little eyepieces. What I'm going to do is take our 1x8 brick and put it right here, so it's right next to the 1x1 here, and put it right here, so it's next to the 1x1 here. So this is going to be the base for our glasses. Next, I'm going to take this 1x6 and put it right here in the middle, connecting the two. So our eyes are going to be right here. Alright. Next, I'm going to get a 2x4 brick and put it right here. So it's hanging off the edge a little bit on this side. And I'm going to fill in this whole area. So I'm going to take a 2x2 brick and put it there. Now right here, I'm going to take our 1x4 brick with the bumps on the side and put it right there. That's going to give us the piece that hangs around our ears. So to lock all these together, I'm going to take a 2x3 brick and put it right there. And now I need to fill in this area. So I'm going to get our pink 2x2 and put it right here. And now I'm going to find a 1x2 and put it right down here. Cool. I'm going to leave this alone and come over to this side. So we're going to get another 2x4 brick, and I'm going to do it the same exact way it is over here, but opposite. So just kind of flipping this around. So I have a 2x2 brick, putting it right there. Our 1x4 with the bumps on the side, right here, and it's sticking backwards. Now we're going to get a 2x3 brick, lock these together. Another 2x2 right here. There we go. And another 1x2 to fill in there. There we go. Alright, so our glasses are coming together. So right inside of here, I'm going to use these 1x4 bricks with the little curved piece in them as the bridge of the glasses. So I'm going to put this right in here, just like that. And I'm going to put another one back here to fill in that gap. There we go. So this will be the bridge of the glasses. Now I'm going to fill in here with some 1x2s. So I'm going to put one right here. And another one right below it. Just like this. Now I'm going to do the same thing on this side. There we go. Just like this. So our glasses are coming along. Now, I'm going to lock this part to this part by using one of these inverse slopes. So So I'm going to put this right here, locking those two together. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So this one is going right here. There we go. And now I'm going to put another inverted slope on this end. So I'm going to take this one right here and lock these two together just like this. Now I want to do the same thing all the way over here. So I'm going to get another inverted slope, lock these two together just like this. Alright, so now we need to fill in this little area. So I'm going to use a 2x2 brick to lock these two together. There we go. And I'm going to fill in this area with some 1x2s. So I'm going to get this nice green one here. And that can go right next to our purple. Now I'm going to fill this one in with a little blue piece. There we go. Looking cool. So I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So I'm going to get a 2x2 brick, put it right there, fill this in with some 1x2s, just like this. Alright, so we have the bottom part done, so now let's work on the top here. So starting on this end, I'm going to find a slope piece, put it right there on the end. Now I'm going to get this big 2x4 brick to lock all of these together right here. There we go. I'm going to get another slope brick and put it right here. There we go. So now I want to do the same exact thing on this side. So I'm going to get another slope brick right there. Another 2x4, put it right here. And another slope right here in the middle. So there is the front part of our glasses, and now we need to build the part on the side that hooks around our ears. So for this part, I'm going to find a whole bunch of these long plates. So plates are the flat Lego pieces. I'm going to find as many long ones as I can and some shorter ones with some fun colors. So this is a 1x10, and I have a few of those. I have some 1x4s. Whoops. And this 2x3. So what I'm going to do first is take the 1x10, the super long one. I'm going to put one of these 1x4s on one end, just like this. Next, I'm going to take another 1x4, put it right next to it, just like this. Now, I'm going to take another one of these 1x10 pieces, this super long plate, and attach it right here. That makes this part way longer. Now, I'm going to take this guy right here, which is a 1x8, and I'm going to put it right here on the front of that 1x4, locking both of these together and making it super strong. Now I'm going to take another 1x4, put it right here, just to add some cool colors to it. And now I'm going to take this 2x3 plate all the way back here as that part that wraps around our ear. So now we can take this part here and attach it right here on those studs to give us our glasses. And now we need to make one more for this side. For this side of the glasses, I'm going to be using all of these pieces. Now the main important thing here is that they're the same length. So what I'm going to do is take these same purple pieces, exactly the same as this side. I'm going to put them together like this, exactly as they're attached here. Now this will be the base for this side. Now I don't have exactly the same pieces, but we can make the same thing. So what I'm going to do is take this little 1x2, put it right here. I'm going to take this 1x6 and put it right here. And that's going to give us the same thickness as the other side. Now I have this super long yellow one, and I'm going to put it right here. So remember, on the other side, we covered 4 of the bumps in these 2 as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to take this long one and put it right there. So it's covering 4 of the bumps here, leaving 4 open here, just like this side. It's going all the way down here, just like that side. So now I can take this 2x3 green piece, snap that right there, and we have almost a mirror image of what's going on this side. And we're going to attach it right here on our 1x4 with the bumps, and that's going to give us our super cool Summerfest glasses. So here's what they look like when you put them on. As you can see, here are my eyes. Now, if you have a smaller head or a bigger head, don't worry. You just have to add a few pieces in the middle here to make them fit your head. You can make them however you want. You can put little Lego people on here, some birds, some flowers, make them fun and make them yours.